Let's play, discover, sister and brother. Mom, Dad, the high camp. You play and discover.
What's up, Play and Discover kids? Today we're going to read Batman's Dino Dilemma. Batman is an expert martial artist, crime fighter, and inventor. He is known as the world's greatest detective. Batgirl is Barbara Gordon, fights along Batman using high-tech gadgets and martial arts skills. Her father, James Gordon, does not know her secret identity as Batgirl. Nightwing, the original Robin. Dick Grayson grew up and became the hero Nightwing. He protects a city near Gotham and sometimes helps Batman. The Riddler. Edward Nygma turned his love of puzzles into a life of crime. As the Riddler, this supervillain wields a question mark cane and asks clever riddles. 5 students entered Gotham City Natural History Museum. Their science fair projects had earned them each a ticket to the brand new dinosaur exhibit. A guide led the prize winners past rare dinosaur fossils. "A raptor!" yelled one student, pointing at the sharp-clawed skeleton. A spray-painted message read, "What dinosaur is a real blast from the past?" A high-tech explosive hung nearby. "Dynamite!" the guide shouted, and then pulled an alarm. Moments later, 3 superheroes burst into the museum. Nightwing calmed the students as his partners spotted the dynamite. "How long till we're—" Batman began. "Extinct," Batgirl finished. Batgirl studied the explosive. "This is a real puzzle," she said. "You mean riddle?" Nightwing asked. The hero pointed at a large purple question mark on another wall. "The Riddler," Batman growled. Painted near the question mark was a second clue from the villain. "Where does a triceratops sit in a museum?" it read. A student slowly raised their hand. "On its tricerabottom," she said. The frightened students giggled. "Of course," said Batman. Kaboom! The dynamite suddenly exploded. Batman and Batgirl shielded the students with their capes. The floor shook like an earthquake, rattling the dinosaur displays. "This way," Nightwing shouted. He led the group to the next room. There was a giant triceratops skeleton. The Riddler had painted a third clue next to it. "Where was the T-Rex when the lights went out?" A shy boy bravely spoke up. "He was in the dark." Click! The museum lights went out. The students screamed. Smash! Bones crashed to the floor. The group ran as the dinosaur skeletons crumbled around them. They stopped at the T-Rex display. There was another clue. What dinosaurs have many plates but never eats off one? "That's easy," said an excited girl. She looked at the other students. "Stegosaurus," they yelled. The superheroes smiled but didn't have time to celebrate. Wham! A giant T-Rex tooth stuck into the floor like a sword. The superheroes looked up. More razor-sharp teeth rattled loose from the skeleton's jaw. The Dark Knight quickly removed a batarang from his utility belt. He flung the metal weapon and knocked a falling tooth aside. Nightwing and Batgirl did the same. Then the superheroes hurried, everyone to the Stegosaurus display. They followed the skeleton's backbone to the tip of its tail. "Another clue," a student cried out. "What 2 things spell the end of a dinosaur?" Batman read. The students thought in silence. Batgirl kneeled and pointed at the last 2 letters in the clue. "You are," Batgirl spelled out aloud. "Yes, you are," shouted a voice. The superheroes spun around. The Riddler stood behind them, holding his question mark cane. "We have a bone to pick with you," Nightwing told the villain. "Just one?" the Riddler asked. He held up a bag of bones and pulled one out from a raptor. Without these pieces, you'll never solve my greatest puzzle. The Riddler pointed at the exhibit. Hundreds of bones covered the floor like a giant jigsaw puzzle. The Riddler dropped the bone and raised his question mark cane. Bzzzt! He fired an electric bolt at the superheroes. Nightwing flipped out of the way. The deadly bolt struck the pterodactyl display overhead. "Look out!" shouted Batgirl as the skeleton fell from above. Batman and Batgirl shot their grapnel guns at the ceiling. They gathered the students under their arms and swung safely away. Smash! The pterodactyl skeleton crashed down on the Riddler, trapping him in its giant rib cage. "Get me out of this bird," he said. "A pterodactyl isn't a bird," a student told the Riddler. "It's only a reptile." "I'll tell the riddles around here, kid," the villain shot back. The Gotham City police arrived. "Don't worry," said Batman, as they put the Riddler in cuffs. "You'll have plenty of time to bone up Dino facts in jail." The superheroes stared at the mess of bones on the floor. "How do we solve this final puzzle?" Nightwing asked his partners. "That's easy," Batman replied, pointing at the smiling students. "With a little help." The end. Thank you for reading with us, playing Discover Kids. We'll see you next time.
Let's play Discover, Sister and Brother. Mom, Dad, the high camp. You play and discover.